First, open After Effects and make sure your clips are ready, including your Twix store and zooms. Now, create an adjustment layer and make sure it's centered over your clips. Next, apply the effect BCC Lens Blur, OBS. Increase the gamma to 1000 and set the iris scale to 7. After that, follow my keyframes. Once you're done, select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Then go into the graph editor and make sure you're using the value graph and match the graph like mine. To enhance the transition, add brightness and contrast. My clip already has enough brightness, so I won't increase it much, but you can push it to around 70 to 80 and adjust the contrast as well. Add your keyframes just like I did. Again, press F9 to easy ease and copy the same graph. Now, create a new adjustment layer and add S_shake. Set the amplitude to 0.400 and the frequency to 5. Then add keyframes. Now select only the amplitude keyframes and easy ease them and match the graph. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.